Hi, my name is Clodagh and I work at FIT. The following presentation will be focusing on aptitude assessments. We are hoping this presentation will be a quick guide to helping you succeed when completing an aptitude assessment. Please feel free to pause the video at any time should you want to read the slides in more detail. For many of the courses at FIT, we utilise aptitude assessments to help measure a person's potential to learn and succeed in a role. For example, those who wish to participate in the tech apprenticeship complete the aptitude assessment as if applying for an entry-level tech role. The aptitude assessment is provided by a UK company called MindMill and has two focus points: personality assessment and cognitive assessment. The personality assessment captures how a person is motivated and how that may affect their performance in the workplace. The personality traits include being proactive, interactive, diligent, being innovative, agreeable, and stable. This part of the assessment takes 10 to 15 minutes to complete. Once you complete this part of the assessment, you can take a break before starting the cognitive assessment. The cognitive assessment looks at your strengths in the following areas: error detection, focuses on identifying and comparing errors correctly using letters and numbers. Numer fluency focuses on maths using addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Odds and evens focuses on your ability to process and remember sequences. And finally, orientation measures your logical and spatial awareness using shapes. This part of the assessment takes roughly 1 hour to complete. It is important that you do not stop to take a break during this section of the assessment. The test will have text-based questions, with the answer formats being multiple choice, rankings, or yes and no answers. One example of a question would be, in the sequence 2, 4, 8, 15, 32, 64, which number does not fit the pattern? The answer is 15, as it breaks the doubling pattern. Now that I've talked you through the types of sections with the aptitude assessment, I'd like to share some tips with you. Before completing an aptitude assessment, take some time to practice doing one. You can practice an aptitude assessment for free by using the link on the top of this slide: practicequestions.mindmill.co.uk. To complete an aptitude assessment to the best of your abilities, make sure your environment is set up right. Your environment needs to be quiet with little distractions. Ensure you have a strong internet connection and only complete your aptitude assessment on a laptop. Be honest in your personality test. The test is designed to catch you out if you're not being honest. And most importantly, remember, the test is timed, so speed is key. Answer questions as quickly as possible, typically under 20 seconds per question. Finally, when you receive your official aptitude assessment link, read over the email carefully. Typically, you have 3 days to complete the aptitude assessment. If you do not pass, you can reach out to redo the assessment again in 6 months. Please note, if you have a physical or learning disability or are neurodiverse, please inform the FIT staff member providing you with the aptitude assessment link before completion. Thank you for listening and good luck.